Hey there, I thought we would talk a little bit about time again to make sure that you all understood it, because it is kind of complicated sometimes, but I know you can do it because you're a smart one. All right, I made a little poster for us, and you can see that there are different numbers right down here and over here. I'm going to read this to you. Right now that says 9 o'clock. That's the word o'clock, 9 o'clock. Another way to write that is with a 9, 2 little dots, and a 0 and a 0. That says 9 o'clock too. So you can see it two different ways, 9 o'clock with the word or 9 o'clock with just the numbers. So what's the next time that I have written there? It's 10 o'clock. Can you see that? It says 10 o'clock, and then over on the side it has 10, the two little dots, which are called a semicolon, by the way, the two little dots, and then 0, 0. Both of those say the same time. They say 10 o'clock. So what's the next one I've written? That's right, I've written 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock with the word o'clock, and then 11, the semicolon, and the 0, 0s, and that says 11 o'clock too. So the last one I wrote on my board says 12 o'clock, and then over here it says, right, 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Well, now the question is, how would I make those on my clock? How would I make it look like it says 9 o'clock? Well, that's a question. Let's see. I'm going to show you my big old clock. I wonder what time it says right there. Does it say 9? No, it doesn't, because the little hand is pointing to the 8. So right now what it's saying is 8 o'clock, because the tall hand, the long hand, is on the 12. So right now my clock is saying 8 o'clock. How can I make it say 9 o'clock? I know what. We'll pretend like we're outside playing, okay? We are outside playing and having a grand old time. We're playing and we're playing and we keep on playing, and finally the hand goes back up to the 12. The little hand's pointing to the 9. So it is 9 o'clock. That's right. Right there, it's 9 o'clock. Now let's say it's 9 o'clock. Your mom says you have to come in and do some schoolwork because we can't come to school now, so you have to do it at home. So she says you're going to do your schoolwork for 1 hour. And you're thinking, how long is that? Is that a long time, a short time, a medium-sized time? How long is an hour? I'm going to show you how long an hour is. If you start your work at 9 o'clock, and you're working really hard, maybe you're doing some papers that you have to cut and glue, and that takes a little bit of time, and now you're going to color something, and I know you're going to color it really nicely, and you keep working, and your mom says you're halfway there, don't give up, and you keep on working, and you keep on working, and watch what that hour hand is doing. It's moving around, so now it says what? It says 10 o'clock. You have worked for 1 hour from 9 until 10. So then you can go outside maybe and play again, and the next thing you know, you look up and that little hand is pointing to 11. The big hand is on the 12. It's 11 o'clock. You're hungry. Mom, I want a snack. And she said, okay, just a little one, because in an hour, you're going to have lunch. So you get a little bit of a snack. Maybe you play on your iPad or your video game, or you watch TV, and then all of a sudden, your mom says, hour is up, time for lunch. What time is it now? You can't see that little tiny hand, but it's back there pointing to the 12. And so now we say it is 12 o'clock. So that's one of the ways we're going to learn how to tell time. And that's when the big hand is on the 12, and then you just read where the hour hand is, and that's the little hand. Right now it's 1 o'clock. The next video I'm going to make, we'll talk about what happens, how do you say it when the big hand is on the 6, okay? All right, good luck, guys. Love you all. Work hard. Bye.